Welcome to our beautiful, sun-drenched yard. It is a world filled with vibrant rainbow colors and soft,
magical sparkles everywhere you look. Young William is sitting comfortably on his favorite colorful blanket.
watching his best friends play. Chewy the dog is zooming in happy circles, while Bubbles the bird pecks at chalk drawings. William looks at us and grins. "Let us learn shapes together," he says with a big smile.
Suddenly, a bright yellow circle pops into the air, glowing like magic.
William points up and says, "This is a circle. It is round, just like the sun in the sky."
Look at how it has no corners at all. Chewy finds a bouncing yellow ball and starts a game of chase.
His tail wagging fast. Meanwhile, Bubbles finds a round cookie and rolls it across the soft green grass. Everything is perfectly round and smooth today.
Now, a bright blue square appears before us. William holds up a wooden block for everyone to see.
This is a square. It has 4 sides, and they are all exactly the same length.
He counts them one by one.
Chewy finds a square drawn in white chalk on the pavement and sits perfectly right in the middle of it. Bubbles joins in the fun, pecking gently at a crunchy square cracker. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides of fun.
The scene shifts as a big, bold red triangle pops up. William traces the straight lines with his finger,
showing us the points. This is a triangle. It has 3 sides. Just then,
a delicious slice of watermelon appears, shaped exactly like a triangle.
Chewy playfully tries to take a little bite of the sweet fruit. Bubbles is so excited that she flaps her wings in a crisp, triangular motion. 3 sides make such a strong and pointy shape.
Next, a bright green rectangle stretches across the screen. William displays a large storybook.
This is a rectangle. It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides.
It looks like a square that has been stretched out. Chewy finds a cozy rectangular mat and settles down for a quick rest.
Bubbles stands very proudly next to a small rectangular door. Whether it is a book or a door, rectangles are all around us in the yard.
A soft pink oval floats into view, looking very elegant. William explains.
"This is an oval. It is like a stretched out circle, shaped like a little egg."
Bubbles rolls a real oval egg toward the center of the blanket, and Chewy gives it a curious sniff.
But wait, look up. A gold star begins to sparkle brightly above them. "This is a star, just like the ones that twinkle in the night sky," William exclaims. Chewy jumps as high as he can to catch the light, while Bubbles twirls underneath. Finally, a big red heart appears, filling the yard with warmth. William wraps his arms around Chewy and Bubbles in a giant,
loving hug. "This is a heart. It means love," he whispers. Chewy licks William's cheek happily,
and Bubbles clucks with joy. All the shapes gather together now in a beautiful rainbow display. William leads the group. Let us say our shapes one last time. Together they chant: circle, square, triangle, rectangle, oval, star, and heart. Learning shapes is so much fun when you do it with your very best friends. The screen fills with rainbow sparkles. See you next time. Keep looking for shapes everywhere you go.